This is more than imagine. This is more than ordinary love. Didn't realize this could happen. Oh, the grace would be enough.